Hey guys, it's me again, Ron Villafor TV. So, for today's video, yung shopping cart na to, shopping lang tayo. So, ito hindi na drive ko ngayon. Shopping cart. So, review natin to ng konti, no? Short review lang. Okay. So, ano siya, 4 wheels. Pwede mo siyang ganyan-ganyan, no? Parang sa Tokyo Drift. And all-wheel drive siya. Lahat gumagana. Yung drivetrain niya, maganda pati yung handling, smooth yung handling. And yung horsepower nito siguro 1 horsepower lang. Yung gulong. So it's family time. Baka. So I'm with my mom. Kasama ko yung mama ko. So family time talaga. So ilang beses ko na sasabing ano. Alright, let's go. So I hope you enjoy your day. Sana kayo rin, guys. Ako doing well. So we rolling. Smooth handling. Sorry guys, nahulog kanina yung biscuit. So this is it.